Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk if we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about the application of KakaoTalk. Here in this page of app, on file we go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We search about the application of KakaoTalk. If you find updating this plus sign, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your